Hi everyone, this is Rajendra Prasad. So in this video I came up with a new topic. This particular topic is helpful to every student. So that means it is not related to physics here, everyone should keep in your mind. So it is related to your career and how to behave yourself during these pandemic days. So that means today's topic is how to explore your abilities during pandemic. How to explore your abilities during pandemic. So that means how to utilize the time during these pandemic days. Okay. So why I am doing this video means, so from my 3 months observation, every student, that means 90% of students, most probably they are wasting their time by playing online games like PUBG, TikTok and so many games, and like social media like Facebook and all those things here. So instead of wasting the time by doing all these things, if they spend their time, if they use their time valuably, so if they use their time to improve their skills, that will be very, very nice for their career. So skills means like painting, drawing, dancing, and communication skills, improving of language, their personality development like communication skills like English and Hindi language. So if they learn these type of things, so that will be very, very better for their future here. So I want to give some suggestions to every student here. So first of all, how to plan your day means, so here first of all you have to go to bed early and wake up early. So this is very, very important for everyone here. So it is somewhat difficult, I know that one, but you have to do this one. After wake up, refresh yourself by doing walking or jogging or else meditation or yoga. That is, choice is yourself here. So you can choose any one thing from these 4 here. Okay. Why I am saying like this means, by doing these things, so it kills your negative energies. It kills your negative energies and regains the positive energy. And also it improves your concentration levels and at the same time improves the immunity power. These are the advantages of doing meditation or jogging or walking or whatever, yoga. So and next thing is, so you have to plan your day here. So by making one timetable or else you have to make your own timetable or else schedule here. So that is very, very important during these days here. So you have to make your own timetable. Everyone should remember that. So this is important here. Everyone should follow this here. So before going to do yoga or jogging or walking, you have to drink at least half liter to 1 liter of hot water. So that is very, very important. You should keep in your mind. After doing this, you have to eat proper breakfast. After the breakfast, you have to spend at least 2 to 3 hours for your studies here. Then had your lunch and go to sleep for at least 1 hour. So after sleeping, again you have to refresh yourself. And this particular time you have to spend for entertainment. So like indoor games like playing chess, caroms, ludo and snake and ladder games. You have to play, you can play these indoor games with your parents and spend some time with your relatives and family friends, your mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, and with your nearby friends. So this will give you lot of positive energy here. Okay. So in this way you have to spend your time during afternoon session. So after this one, in evening session, again you have to go for your workout. So workout means simple workouts like skipping and light walking near to your home here. After the workout, you just try to watch one movie in the evening session here. So after watching the movie, you will get some entertainment. So after this one, again you have to take your dinner. So everyone should have your dinner before 8:30, at least before 8:30. So after 8:30, after having your dinner, just again you have to walk for some time here. So after walking, you have to go to the bed and sleep and again repeat the same process, entire process. So this is very, very tough ask, I know that one. So once you are habituated to all these things here, you will enjoy a lot. So why? Because I am experiencing all these things here. So after the practice only I am saying here, without practicing I am not saying here. So at present I am doing this here. I wake up early in the morning here by 6 o'clock here, and after having 2 to 3 kilometers of jogging, I refresh a lot here. So I am start doing yoga also little bit here nowadays. So after doing all these things I am getting lot of positive energy and my brain will be active throughout the day. It is, I conclude that, so if we use your time for productive purpose, it gives us new thoughts and new creations and new ideas. So with this I conclude my speech here. Some students are thinking that it is very tough job, but once you put into the practice, it is very, very easy here. So why? Because I am doing all these things, I am experiencing all these things here. That's why I am saying all these things to you. So with this, I will take leave here. Take care of your health, protect your health. Health is wealth. Bye.